Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today I'm making magic cookie bars. Now that's the way I know them, but they're also called 7-layer bars or even Hello Dolly Bars. There's 7 wonderful, delicious layers, and it's easy. You just bake it in the oven, cut them into bars, and you're ready for a wonderful celebration that'll be perfect for Valentine's Day coming up, just a snack for a lunchbox, or even as a Super Bowl treat. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. The ingredients for the magic cookie bars are graham crackers, semi-sweet chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, butter, coconut flakes, pecans, sweetened condensed milk, and you'll need a 13 by 9 inch pan sprayed with cooking spray. Now to get started on these 7-layer bars, I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to lightly spray mainly around the edges of a 13 by 9 inch pan. And then I've melted a stick of butter in the microwave, and I'm just going to pour that on the bottom. That's our first layer, and we'll set that aside for now. I'll need to prep some pecans. I'll be chopping those in a minute. I want to get going on the crust though before the butter starts to cool. Now you need about 1.5 cups of crushed graham crackers. Now I'm using the food processor today, but you can also crush them in a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin. That works great too. I'm going to start with 1 sleeve, and we'll see if that makes 1.5 cups. Now I've got a 1.5 cups measuring cup, so we'll see if that fills that up. I mean, it's really close. So the good news is I had a few left over from another package that I think will bring it to 1.5 cups. So we'll get those crushed up. That's close enough. So I'm just going to sprinkle them over that melted butter. So for the 7-layer bars, there's butter, and then there is the crushed graham crackers. I'm just lightly stirring them in to get all of them kind of soaked in that butter. I'm just going to take the bottom of my measuring cup and just lightly tamp that down, kind of even it out. All right, I'll put that aside for now. And while I have my food processor out, I'm just going to pulse my pecans, 1 cup of pecans. Now you can use walnuts, you can use really your favorite kind of nut. I'm just going to pulse those together real quick. Kind of a rough chop there. I don't usually pull out my food processor for small jobs, but since I had 2 things to chop up, I went ahead and did today. Okay, next, we've got our 3rd layer. 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. Just put those, just sprinkle them right on top of the graham cracker layer. Next, we have our 4th layer. 3/4 cup of butterscotch chips. Now I've seen people just use double the semi-sweet chips or even peanut butter chips in place of the butterscotch chips. So that's 4 layers. Next we have 3/4 cup of shredded sweetened coconut. That's layer 5. Now, after the coconut, you have layer 6, your chopped nuts. And then our last layer, and this is where you might see some variation in some other recipes. Some people put this right after the graham crackers. I think it makes more sense to put the sweetened condensed milk on at the end and layer it over all of the ingredients because it really binds everything together then. When I was young, I just grew up hearing this as being called Eagle brand milk. And when you said Eagle brand milk, you knew it was that thick, sweetened, condensed milk. And that's your 7th layer for your 7-layer bars, also known as Magic Cookie Bars, also known as Hello Dolly Bars. I had never heard of them called Hello Dolly Bars before, but when doing a little research for this recipe, I found that a lot of people do call them Hello Dolly Bars. So if you know the history of that, comment down below and let me know where that name came from. I'm just going to spread it out as best I can here. Now as this bakes, that sweetened condensed milk layer will just melt down into the bars and hold everything together. Now it couldn't be much easier than that. I'll be putting them in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes until everything is just lightly browned, and then we'll let them cool and cut them into bars. So we'll be back. Okay, these have been in the oven for 35 minutes. I just wanted to get them a little browner on top. So we're going to let these cool, and then we will slice into them. Okay, these are still a little bit warm, but I wanted to show you, it really helps when you spray the edges with cooking spray because it helps those edges come out. Sometimes those edges have a tendency to stick if you don't help it along a little bit. So I just went through with a small spatula, and you just want to cut bars, whatever size you like. Those came out real nice. I'm just going to put this on a plate and give it a taste test. The first thing I think is they're so buttery and good. And there's a full stick of butter here combined with those graham crackers. It's so good. These will definitely be a hit at any party, potluck, just as a dessert. These really keep well. If you don't eat them all at once, you can cut them into squares, separate them with parchment paper and freeze them, and then just take them out as you need them. Magic bars, 7-layer bars, or Hello Dolly bars, they're good, whatever you call them. Thank you for joining me today on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made these delicious dessert bars. If you haven't done so already, just go check out some of my other playlists. I have playlists for appetizers, for treats, what's for dinner. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel and share this video with your friends. We'll see you next time.